Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the door swing on your Frigidaire refrigerator. Before we begin, safety is paramount, so please unplug your appliance from the wall outlet. Next, empty all food from the door shelves and the interior. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a nut driver, typically a 3/8 inch or 5/16 inch size. Finally, prepare a soft, padded surface to protect your doors during the process. Now let's start by removing the doors. First, take off the top hinge cover, usually secured by 1 or 2 screws. Then use your nut driver to remove the 2 mounting screws holding the top hinge. With the hinge removed, gently lift the freezer door straight up and set it aside. Next, unscrew the middle hinge, which typically has 3 screws, and lift the fresh food door off its lower pin. Finally, remove the bottom hinge from the refrigerator's frame. With the doors off, it's time to reverse the hinge components. For each hinge, you'll need to swap the hinge pin and any associated bushings to the opposite side. Also, relocate any plastic hole plugs and door stops from the original hinge side to the new side. If your model has reversible handles, unscrew them from their current position and reattach them to the opposite side of each door. Double-check that all these small parts are firmly in place. Now let's put everything back together. Begin by installing the bottom hinge onto the new side of your refrigerator, securing it with its screws. Next, carefully set the fresh food door onto the bottom hinge pin. Then attach the middle hinge, ensuring it aligns correctly, and place the freezer door onto its pin. Finally, secure the top hinge. Replace all hinge covers and adjust the leveling feet to ensure the doors seal properly. Plug it back in and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.